Two of Capital One's hottest travel cards. One big question. Which one really delivers? On the left, Capital One VentureOne, packed with premium travel perks. On the right, VentureOne, the no annual fee choice for simple rewards. Let's skip the marketing hype and get straight to what matters. We'll compare them across 7 categories, each earning points. At the end, you'll see exactly who wins for 2025. The result might surprise you.
Here's the roadmap for our comparison. We're going to look at annual fee, sign-up bonus, rewards earning rates, foreign transaction fees, premium travel perks, how flexible those redemptions are, and who each card is actually made for. Let's break it all down. Okay, we're starting with annual fees because, let's be honest, no one wants to drop a bunch of cash just for holding a credit card, unless the perks are out of this world. So, VentureOne, it's got a whopping $395 fee. I know, that's steep, but hear me out. You do get some pretty wild benefits and credits, so for hardcore travelers, it could totally make sense. Statement credits can offset that fee if you really dig into them. Now, VentureOne is like, why pay anything? It's got a $0 annual fee. Super easy to keep, no guilt if you're not using it all the time. Sure, premium stuff is missing, but if you hate fees, it's honestly a win. So, for annual fees, VentureOne takes this one. Let's be real.
Next up, let's talk sign-up bonuses. This is the free miles for just getting started. VentureOne does not mess around. You snag 75,000 miles if you spend $4,000 in 3 months. Yeah, so the bar's a little higher in spend, but that bonus is pretty massive. VentureOne is a little more chill. Just spend $500 in 3 months, and you'll get 20,000 miles. Way easier if you don't want to make big purchases up front, but that bonus isn't nearly as juicy. So, between big bonus or easy requirements, VentureOne is the clear winner here. All right, what about everyday rewards? This is where it gets interesting. VentureOne is like go big or go home. You get 10x miles on hotels and rental cars booked through Capital One Travel, 5x on flights through their portal, and a solid 2x on everything else. That's honestly kind of wild, but only if you use the Capital One travel portal. VentureOne gives you 1.25x miles on every purchase, which is super simple, and 5x on hotels and rental cars through the portal, but that's it. So yeah, the basic rate is lower, and no 10x/5x for flights. If you travel or book through Capital One, VentureOne is way ahead.
Oh, and here's something cool I bet most people don't know. If you get VentureOne, you can add authorized users at no extra cost, and each user gets their own lounge access. That's a sweet deal for families or travel buddies.
Moving right along, foreign transaction fees. You know those annoying little charges when you travel abroad? Both cards, thankfully, give you a big, fat 0. No foreign transaction fees, so you can swipe pretty much anywhere without worrying about getting dinged. Honestly, both cards tie here. Love not having to sweat the extras. Now for the fun stuff. Premium travel benefits. This is where VentureOne kind of flexes. There's a $300 annual Capital One travel credit, 10,000 bonus miles every year, airport lounge access, yes, those fancy lounges with snacks and Wi-Fi, plus cell phone protection, global entry or TSA pre-check credits, and you can add authorized users free. The list kind of goes on. Real talk, if you travel a ton, this card is seriously loaded. VentureOne, on the other hand, well, it's more basic. You get travel assistance and some lost luggage protection, but no airport lounge, no annual credits. So if you're chasing premium perks, it's VentureOne all day. How about redeeming those miles? Both cards give you total flexibility. Miles never expire. You can transfer to travel partners, book pretty much any trip, cash out, or grab a gift card. Nothing weird or restrictive. So, in terms of redemption options, I'd call it a tie. No surprises, just a whole lot of freedom.
So, who's actually supposed to use these cards?
VentureOne? It's perfect for people who travel all the time, want lounge access, and can max out those perks. If you're booking through Capital One, even better. If you're not flying constantly, though, that fee isn't really worth it. Now, VentureOne is made for beginners, occasional travelers, or just anyone who hates annual fees. Super low maintenance. But if you want all the bells and whistles, you're going to feel like you're missing out. Honestly, it's a tie. It all comes down to your travel style.
If you're a chart person, you can actually see VentureOne crushing it for rewards, bonuses, and perks, while VentureOne wins in the no-fee category. Both give you freedom on redemptions and work overseas. It's just about what you value most.
So this is how it breaks down.
VentureX is absolutely worth it if you travel all the time and can really play the premium perks game. But if you just want easy travel rewards and hate paying fees, VentureOne is the best fit. Honestly, you can't go wrong if you match your card to your style.
Ready to level up your travel perks? Check out more features on Capital One's site. And make sure you pick a card that gives you what you need, not just a bunch of extras you'll never use.